back! So, dito na nga kami guys sa loob ng ship, Norwegian Breakaway. At nakikita nyo yan guys, dyan yan. Yun yung tawag doon, Miami. Kasi dito nakaano yung Norwegian Airlines Norwegian Breakaway sa Miami, Port of Miami. So yan. And there you go. At nag-sign up si Rick ng unlimited unlimited, what you call this one? Alcohol, guys! Oh my gosh! We have unlimited alcohol in this trip. Inumpisahan ko na nga, piña colada daw ito eh. Oh my gosh! Malalasing ako nito. Okay guys. Yeah. So, ayan guys. Punta tayo dito para makita nyo yung diba guys? I see you later.